I am Alfonso Amat. I am the founder, co-founder, and CEO at CellRep. At CellRep, we rejuvenate cells without gene editing. We do this to enhance cell therapies. And we are starting with cancer and soon extending longevity. CAR T cell therapies are saving thousands of lives. Cells are extracted from the patient, then are modified to target the tumor, then they are expanded and infused back into the patient. But CAR T faces three critical challenges. With an average cost of $1 million per treatment, efficacy drops from 90% in blood cancers to less than 20% in solid tumors. And manufacturing takes weeks. So why is this? Because when cells are extracted and then expanded, they become old and lose functionality. CAR T has already generated $7 billion last year, will generate $11 billion this year, and is planned to generate $188 billion by 2034. Currently, there are 5 main CAR T providers, and there are 200 in preclinical trials, 200. Most has confirmed the same challenges. The problem is urgent, and the market is ready for a transformative solution. So, what do you do when your computer gets slow? You restart it, don't you? Yes, so at CellRep, we see cells as nature supercomputers. And based on Federico Perdomo, that is right, I lost him. He did a groundbreaking discovery at Institut Pasteur in France. We do dynamic cell reprogramming without gene editing. And this tackles the 3 challenges simultaneously with a single solution. We make lymphocytes younger and more functional. How do we do this? Well, first we identify key molecular targets. Then we find the molecules that bind with them. These optimize the lymphocytes' Gaussian distribution, making them younger and more functional, once again, without gene editing. So we have a platform that combines in silico, in vitro, in vivo. The in silico is led by Julian, co-founder also, with more than 3 decades in AI, that for target discovery, he uses 3 models, using public data and our own data sets. But for binding, we use 5 models, large language models and diffusion models, that enable us to find the molecules that will bind with the target. All these results are shared with Federico, co-founder, as you know, the father of the creature, as we like to say, that he runs in vitro tests, and all his tests are shared with Manuel, also co-founder, with decades of experience in vivo. His results shared back again to Julian, and this is a flywheel. This is our latest discovery. This is a compound that produces lymphocyte 3 times younger. Okay? This is 47% better than Federico's groundbreaking discovery in France. Our solution can be implemented in CAR T products today, but can also be applied in vivo. This has a multiplier effect because it can be used before, during, and after cell transfer. If you see from a competitor perspective, most of the environment is going, most of our competitors are going to gene editing. The problem with gene editing is that it's riskier and it's slower. What we do is our entire solution allows us to have a fast solution with outstanding time to market. And the interesting thing is that it's also flexible. It can be used by our customer and also even our potential competitors. We started CellRep with a vision to transform healthcare. Less than a year ago, we have already established our platform. I have to look back, the in vitro validation, the full in vitro validation, and we have strategic partnerships. We have identified 15 targets, 35 compounds, and 4 are FDA pre-approved for repurposing. The interesting thing is we have an MTA signed with Baylor University. This Friday we're going to be with them, seeing the impact of our new approach in solid tumors. We also had conversations with GSK, with AstraZeneca, Novartis, Roche, and they shared our vision. They understand our vision. And something interesting is that a few weeks ago, we also filed our 2 first patents. We see that in the first time with upfront fees and licensing agreements, and in the midterm with our own products, we will be able to tackle $13 billion of the market. We have already secured $1 million, and we are here to talk with you because we're searching for 4 more to complete our research in the immune system. Then, as you might know, neurons and other cell types can be rejuvenated. So we want to fully focus on longevity. We have an experienced team, startup exits, groundbreaking discoveries, and a passion for execution. So if you're willing to hack live programming language, join us to make the path to saving billions possible. Thank you very much.